Well, if it feels like we're taking steps backwards in our fight against the coronavirus, it's because we are. 5 of the last 7 days, Ohio is reporting over 1,000 new COVID cases a day. The only 2 days which weren't over 1,000 were the weekend reporting days, and those numbers traditionally lower. We were at 1,769 new cases today. That's nearly 1,000 cases over our 21-day average. And folks, if you weren't sure before, you can bank on it now. The Delta variant is here. It has hit the Buckeye State, and it is hitting us hard. Deaths and hospitalizations tend to lag behind cases, but even now, we're already seeing those numbers click above our 21-day average. However, currently, COVID patients are only using 2.9% of the state's hospital beds. Experts believe that number will grow soon. As expected, the rise in cases has some in Northeast Ohio, including retailers and customers bringing back their masks. 3 News' Austin Love joins us now with what you need to know. Austin, good afternoon to you.
Yeah, hey, Jay, we're great to be with you here, and you're right. Definitely going in the wrong direction. Those numbers that you were just talking about, incredibly staggering, and so many people that have been doing the right things, of what we've been told have been doing the right things, are frustrated, and that also includes local businesses. It also includes local restaurants as well, and those things are now thrust into another dilemma, the mask dilemma, to wear a mask or not to wear a mask. A number of large companies, including Giant Eagle, are now requiring masks for customers and also employees. Locally, Slyman's restaurant downtown has always required masks. If you step in there, it's much like it was during the heart of the lockdowns. On the other hand, many restaurants do not want to add more restrictions. I spoke to a customer of Slyman's today, Liz Scott. She is over 60 and has asthma. She admittedly hates wearing a mask, but has welcomed the return to ensure everyone's safety.
It's lives. Our lives is at stake. So as long as our lives is at stake, we need to do what we need to do to protect everybody else around us and ourselves. Even though I hate it, don't get it wrong, but I don't mind putting it on when I come in places because, as you can see with Slyman's, everybody in there, I don't know these people, but I don't want to be the cause of them getting sick.
Yeah, so the mask debate once again coming to the forefront, vaccine or no vaccine regardless. And coming up at 6J, I speak with Sam McNulty. He's the owner of Nano Brew and also a number of different restaurants on West 25th. And he's saying that he doesn't want to, currently he's not requiring his staff or customers that are coming in to wear masks, and says that he doesn't want to do that. He's just simply asking everyone to get the vaccine. We'll have more story on that story coming up at 6 o'clock.
All right. I think we can all agree Liz is a pretty smart woman. She speaks for a lot of us. Austin Love.
Absolutely.
Good to see you in the afternoon, Austin. Thanks. One more quick note on this topic. We've just learned that Summit County is now orange, meaning it has substantial transmission. That means all of Northeast Ohio counties, except for Lake and Ashtabula, are orange. And you can also add the Pro Football Hall of Fame to the list of places requiring the use of masks indoors, regardless of your vaccination status. The Hall of Fame is now requiring mask use during indoor Enshrinement Week events. That, of course, kicks off Thursday with the Cowboys-Steelers Hall of Fame game. The recommendation does not apply to outdoor events, which, of course, includes the enshrinement ceremony.